Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Jennifer Brizuela Escolar. 43 years old, married. I have two children, one boy, 23 years old, and one girl, 15 years old. I live in Barangay del Carmen, Presidente Rojas, Cotabato, Philippines. I have a work experience last 2012 to 2014 in Dubai. 7 member of the family, 5 children, and 2 adults. My main duties is clean the house, washing her clothes, washing dishes, and cooking. And also last 2017-2019, I worked here in the Philippines as a babysitter of newborn baby and 5 years old girl. As of now, I work here in a public hospital as a food server. I serve the food of the patient every day and also clean the room of the doctors. To my coming employer in Hong Kong, I am honest, loyal, and loving, and trustworthy. Thank you for choosing me, and God bless.